Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 2. 我每天6点起床。我每天6点起床。I get up at 6 every day. So first, let's do match the pictures with words and phrases. And number 1, 起床。起床 means get up. Number 2, 跑步。跑步 run, right? And next, 吃药。吃药 so that means eat medicine. Eat medicine, such as B. And number 4, 生病。生病 be sick. Be sick. So choose F. Next, 休息。休息 so take a rest. Choose F. 出院。出院 that means get out of hospital or leave hospital. So C, the patient says goodbye to doctor and nurse, right? So we choose C. The answers are A, D, B, E, F, and C. Okay, so text 1, on the playground. So the first sentence, 你很少生病。你很少生病。So you seldom are sick. 是不是喜欢运动？ So do you like doing sports or not? 是不是 That's a yes or no question. Next, 是啊 Yes. 我每天早上都要出去跑步。我每天早上都要出去跑步。So I go to run every day. This every day 早上 means morning. So every morning I go to run every morning. 你每天几点起床 When you get up every day. 我每天6点起床。我每天6点起床。So here 生病 to fall ill, to be sick. 每 prone, so every, each, 每早上 morning, 早上 morning, 跑步 to run, to jog, 跑步起床 to get up, to get out bed, 起床 so here questions using 是不是是不是 so literally that means yes or no. It's usually used before the predicate or at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, 是不是明天爸爸休息 So that gets rest tomorrow, yes or no? This question that is somehow certain about a fact or situation. So use this kind of question to confirm their guess. 是不是 I can ask you that do you like cat or not? 你是不是喜欢猫 Do you like cats or not? 你是不是喜欢猫 So use 是不是 that confirm about a fact or situation and all confirm your guess. So next one, in the hospital. 吃药了吗？吃药了吗 Did you take your medicine? 现在身体怎么样？现在身体怎么样 How do you feel now? How do you feel now? 吃了，现在好多了。吃了，现在好多了。Yes, I did. I feel much better now. 什么时候能出院？什么时候能出院 So when can you leave the hospital? 什么时候能出院 So ask a special question when. 什么时候 So what time or when? Next week, according to the doctor. So 医生说下个星期 医生说下个星期。So here 药 medicine drug 药身体 body 身体出院 to leave hospital to discharge from hospital 出院出is a verb to come or go out. Okay, so next one on the playground. 大卫今年多大？大卫今年多大？20多岁。20多岁。他多高？ So here, the first three sentences like how old is David? About 20 years old. How tall is he? So ask someone how tall. We can use 多 at tall. So 多高？1米8几，1米8几。He is more than 180 centimeters tall. 1米8几。你怎么知道这么多啊？你怎么知道这么多啊？ How come you know so much about him? How come you know so much about him? Yeah. So I also want to ask. 他是我同学。He's my classmate. He's my classmate. So new words here. 高 tall, high, 米 is measure word. Meter 米知道 to know 知道 to know. So let's read again, okay? 大卫今年多大 How old is David? 20多岁20多岁。他多高他多高1米8几。你怎么知道这么多啊？他是我同学他是我同学。Okay, so let's learn the interrogative pronoun 多。Here, this pronoun 多 is used before an adjective asking about the degree of something. So, degree of something. We learned about that 多少钱 how much 这个多少钱 how much does it cost, right? How much does it cost? A specific quantity should be given to answer. So specific quantity. And when you answer this question, you need to use the specific quantity like 25岁1米75 to answer this question. So first, subject at 多 as adjective. 你多大 How old are you? 你多大 Here subject is David. 大卫多高 How tall is David? 大卫多高他多高 How tall is he? So three questions and answers. And the first one, 你多大 How old are you? 我16岁。王医生的儿子多高？王医生的儿子多高？他儿子1米7。他儿子1米7。他多高？1米8几。1米8几。Okay, the last text in the room. 张老师星期六也不休息呀。张老师星期六也不休息啊。So doesn't Mr. John take a Saturday off? 是啊，他这几天很忙。是啊，他这几天很忙，没有时间休息。No, he has been busy lately. He has no time to rest. 这几天 so recently or lately, very busy, 很忙，没有时间 he has no time, 没有时间 to do something, to take rest or rest. 那会很累吧？那会很累吧？ So that must be really tiring. 那会很累吧？他每天回来都很累 Sorry. 他每天回来都很累。Every day he comes home exhausted. So new words, 休息 to have or take a rest. 忙 busy. 时间 时间 time 时间 Okay, so let's learn another grammar about pronoun 每 So it's a measure word indicating each or every individual or group in the whole. For example, so every day we say 每天 every year 每年 every month 每个月 every week 每个星期 So 山姆每年都去中国旅游 So Sam goes to China for traveling every year and 每个星期每天 So every day Please remember this pronoun 每 Okay, so exercise time and describe the pictures using the newly learned language points and words. 小丽 So here we just learned that pronoun, right? 每 every or each. So every day 每天 right? 小丽每天都很忙也很累 So choose 每 here. 她每天早上出去 So here this picture run, right? 跑步 to run 身体很好 And next one 王医生的儿子多 So here this picture How tall, right? So we can ask 多高 right? 王医生的儿子多高我听说安妮 This picture Be sick, right? 生病了我想去看看她我听说安妮生病了 I heard that Annie is ill or is sick. I want to visit her. 我想去看看她 Okay, this is all for today and we learned that when someone get up every day so how to describe the Pacific time So like 我每天6点起床 I get up at 6 every day and we also learned that 是不是 yes or no question right yes or no and this one so pronoun ask the specific quantity 多大多高 right And so this is all for today and if you like my video please give me a like and subscribe my channel Okay, this is all for today and next time we'll learn that unit 3 Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.